Hi. When I showed you how to make my meat, I didn't do videos as well as I do now, and it was hard to figure out. So, a lot of people make my meats and post them on YouTube because I ask them to, because I like it when people do that, and they get it wrong every time. So I'm gonna break it down a lot. So I'm gonna make it again and break it down, and then I'll delete it when I've showed you how to do it clearly. So yeah, I'm just gonna look at that. So we'll get roughly about that. Probably not exact, but we'll get roughly that. So do that. So I'm gonna make it again. I'll show you how to do it. Some things I won't show, like the positions and colour or something, because that's just going to be normal. So I'm just going to show what you just need to do. Leave the face. Just go down here. Get that one there. And go to that. Oh, not that one. This colour. Of the eyebrows. Those eyebrows. And all you're going to do is make them down 2 times. So take them down twice. And then that colour. To make sure it looks like that then. So the eyes, oh, I've gone past it. These eyes, don't change the positions. So yeah, don't change the positions. Just change it to that colour. And I'm not going to show the nose because the nose, just leave it as normal how it is. And that mouth, you don't need to change any positions. So we've made the basics, so we don't need any of those. Yeah, because you've already clicked nail on it. Go up to the body. And we're going to do this roughly. So yeah, that can just be roughly. Or I think I might make that a bit wider. Yeah, a bit wider. There we go, just like that. So I could only get that roughly. Just leave all those, and then type in. Hang on. I don't always do it pressing these. But I'm holding the camera with one hand, with the wrong hand really. So I'm crossing over hands. So yeah, you just need to type in Finley. There you go, you've made it. So that is clearer. As much clearer for the steps.